Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome back to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Hopping into this, be sure to install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. This plugin allows you to enable or disable whitelist on specific worlds on your Minecraft server. Getting back into it, once installed, restart your server and join it. To see all of the command information, type the command \w whitelist help. First off, you have to make sure the whitelist is toggled on the world. To do so, type \w whitelist on. You can also turn it off on the world by typing off instead. To add or remove players from a whitelist, type the command \w whitelist, add or remove the player name and the name of the world. You can also set players or groups to bypass the whitelist on all worlds by using the command \w whitelist, bypass, and their username. Now that is how you can easily use the WorldWhitelist plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.